guys, welcome to my channel. This is Marion if you're new. If you're not new, welcome back. Today's video is essentially my maintenance weekend, so I will be doing all my sort of beauty maintenance, beauty treatments, and I would just like to show you how I do this myself. So I'll be doing my hair, my lashes and my nails. And yeah, this is just an affordable option for people that would like to save money, and also if you don't have that much time to go and sit in the salon or go to the nail shop. So if you're interested, I hope you enjoy it, keep watching, and yeah, drop a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hit the like button.
Okay guys, I'm going to start with my hair. I've just washed my hair fresh. This is the Shark Air Styler, and I'm just showing you the attachments that I will be using. Now, I did actually record me using my hair mask, but unfortunately the footage was really bad quality, so I didn't feel to use it. What I will start off with is using the Colour Wow hairspray. This is like a heat protector, and it also helps to straighten your hair. I am also using this heat protecting spray, which is from Schwarzkopf. Now, I will describe my hair as fully natural, 4C texture. I think my hair is actually in better health. It was previously really damaged, but I think I'm getting there. You just saw me using a hair oil that's from Miracle Growth, and I'm just using the round brush here to blow dry my hair, and I'm particularly concentrating on my roots. The one thing I don't want to do is have dry hair but my roots are still damp, so I'm going in up, above and underneath the hair, just wrapping that round. And yeah, it looks really easy, but it's actually really heavy, this Shark Air Styler. That's the only thing that is a bit unfortunate, but otherwise I really love this hairdryer. As you can see, I was drying my hair in sections, and once all the sections are dry, I go over it again with the flat brush. Now, I'm having my hair in a wig this week, and so I'm just doing my cornrows, braiding the hair down so that I can get a really flat base. Now, I'm not a professional hairstylist, so this is not the neatest, but the hair is flat and it gets the job done. This is the wig I'll be wearing this week. This is a bob wig, and I actually did this colour myself. It's like a reddish brown colour, hard to explain. I'm just going to straighten the wig just to kind of give it some style. My hair straightener is from T3 and I really like it. Now, because I don't have any plans or like special events or anything, I'm just going to wear this wig with a headband, and it's just for convenience. Now we're moving on to my lashes. These are from TikTok Shop, and you can see I have almost finished all of them. I'm using this lash glue that comes with the kit. And honestly, I find it really difficult to film myself doing lashes, but basically I put the lashes underneath my eyeline. The struggle was actually real. I was trying to do my lashes and position the camera. Honestly, it was like missions, but yeah, you can see just me going underneath my eyeline. And also I double stack the lashes just to give it a full look. What I will say is this is actually easier than it looks, and if you haven't done it, give it a try, but just be careful with the tweezers that you don't poke yourself, and just practice loads. Guys, we're moving on to my eyebrows, and I'll be tinting and shaping my brows. I'm using this eyebrow wax. I actually bought this wax from TikTok Shop, and it's really good because it helps you to, push the hairs up and actually stick them up. This is normally used when you're doing your makeup, to be honest, but I use it for shaping my brows. Then I'm going to use this Beat hair removal cream, and I'm going to use a cotton bud and try and shape my brows. So basically where this cream is going is where I would like all the hairs to go. Now, there are two reasons I do this. One, my eyebrows are really thin, and two, like threading and plucking, I'm just such a weasel, it hurts, and this is just easy for me. Now, I'm also using the Veet cream on my upper lip. I don't do this very often, but this helps to get rid of those small hairs. Now, I'd left the cream on for maybe 5-10 minutes, and now I'm going in with the eyebrow tint. This is from Eyelure, and I believe the colour is either dark brown or black. I usually leave this on for ages so that my eyebrows can become really dark, as you can see me taking it off. This I normally do every 2 to 3 weeks. I usually use micellar water on a cotton pad just to remove the excess tint. Of course, I want to brush the hairs up so I can see that I've got a nice shape and I like the colour. Okay, now we're moving on to nails, and I actually think, other than hair, this is my favourite part. I either use this from B&M, which is like a set of acrylics in either stiletto, round or square. I also have several packs of these press-on nails, and usually my nails are either red or pink. I use this gel to file my nails, and when I use the blank acrylics, this is the gel polish that I use with this UV lamp.
This brings me to the end of my maintenance. I've got my nails done. this is what they look like. I've gone for this chocolate brown colour. As you saw me do, these are the lashes. Eyebrows, you saw me tinting my eyebrows and shaping them. So the tint, actually, I don't think I showed you, is from Eyelaw. Hair, as you can see, I've gone for this bob wig that I will be having for the next week or two. And I've obviously just put this headband just to keep the hair out of my face, and it's just convenient. I hope I have given you some ideas, and let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions or comments about the video. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in my next video.